Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jen. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I hope you guys are doing well and almost ready for Christmas. That is a whole 3 days away. I am very excited, as you can tell. But welcome to day 22 of my unboxing my advent calendar series. If you guys haven't been staying up to date or haven't seen my other videos, I will post the playlist up above so you guys can go check out those and watch them if you want to. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we are starting with the Joe and Steph's Gourmet Popcorn. This is what this box looks like. If you are new here, we, like I said, are on day 22, which is up here in the corner. Ow! That hurt. It is called Orange Chocolate. I don't remember if I've tried this. If I haven't tried it, I will post a video. If I have tried it, I will link the video up above of the last time that I tried it. But yeah, let's see what I think. So the next one up is the 24 Days of Beauty by Belle. This is what the inside of it looks like. We are on day 22, so we are on this one. Another thing that I'm not quite sure what it is, but it looks like it's a little scrubber. Oh, it's a nail brush. It says it right on that it's a nail brush. That's cool. Again, don't really know what I will be doing with it, but I'll just add it to my collection of now random beauty things that I have from this calendar. So last but not least is the 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea. This is what the inside of it looks like. We are on day 22, which is right here. We are on to Sleigh Ride, which, let me look at the back and see what's in it. Sleigh Ride, Sleigh Ride. It is a fruit infusion tea. It is caffeine free. It has apple, candied pineapple, hibiscus blossom, candied papaya, beetroot, cinnamon, artificial flavorings of cinnamon, almond, and apple, raisins, coconut rasp, roasted almond, and popped rice. This is what it looks like. And yeah, I will post a video of me trying it now so you guys can check it out. So this is the tea Sleigh Ride, like I said. It smells really sweet. It kind of smells like a caramel hot cocoa to me. It also kind of smells like a cinnamon hot cocoa. I also might be going slightly crazy, but it's fine. We're gonna try it anyways. Kind of tastes like a hot apple cider, but like not, I don't want to say not normal hot apple cider. My piano teacher when I was in elementary school used to have this, the Christmas piano recital, which was only for students to go to. And she made like this mulled hot apple cider in the crock pot. And that's what this tastes like. And that probably makes no sense to anybody unless you had my piano teacher, but that's what it reminds me of that. I give this I'd say like a 7. Yeah, it's a 7. It's not the average of like as good as the other teas I've had, but given the good feeling, I probably would get a 6.5 if it wasn't for the fact that it reminds me of like a really happy childhood memory. And so like I'm giving that extra 0.5 for that like nostalgic feeling. But it's it's good. It's just not great comparative to like the Palm Grateful and the Forever Frosty that we had previously. It's just, it doesn't reach that expectation. Yeah, I stick by the number. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. We have 2 more days after this. I hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. I make sure you to follow me on my social media so you guys can know when I post. Follow me on YouTube, or follow me on Instagram at Miss_JennaD_, on Facebook at Miss_JennaD, or on Twitter at JennaDMiss. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye!